Welcome back, guys. I have my dog Lily here with me today doing the review. She thinks we're going for a walk, so this is incredibly painful for her. We're reviewing the Sorel waterproof snow boots. I actually picked these up after I heard of a mountaineer that worked at a ski resort. This was his choice for going up and down the mountain 8 to 10 hours a day working. So if it was good enough for somebody to work in the snow, that was good enough for me to purchase for hiking and whatnot. I've got about 20 miles on this boot so far, and I really like it. The waterproofing is held out 100%. Tested that out many times. The comfort level is what really gets me though. I have a lot of foot problems, and this, for my high arched foot, has no problems. Now, does this have a high arch in it? No, I'm not saying it has a high arch whatsoever, just saying it's very comfortable. It's got draw straps all over the place at the top so you can cinch it off and make it a little bit tighter so the snow doesn't get in. These straps around the boot itself, very tough and real nice high quality leather. Really impressed by the quality of it. As I said, I have somewhere around 20 miles on it and it still looks brand new. The stitching and everything is super duper high quality. It just feels very rugged. Keeps my feet warm. I have no problems whatsoever. I actually don't wear thick socks though with this, so I would actually try to recommend wearing it with a thinner sock. You just don't have a lot of room in this. And then the bottom of it, the traction is really insane. It looks like it just came off the shelf still. So really a high quality dense rubber. The little piece on the back I think is just for looks, doesn't really do anything, but just really durable, super ultra comfortable. A 5-star product, highly recommended. Now I'm going to go take this dog for a walk.